Hello friends, and welcome back to Everyday Cooking with Mum and me. Today we are going to be making a Sabudana Kheer, also known as sago pudding. This creamy, delicious and thick pudding is very easy to make. This dessert or pudding is a great summer food. It is considered to reduce the body heat and balance the body temperature. This kheer or pudding can be served chilled or warmed as a dessert, or even as breakfast. So what are we waiting for? Let's get started. For our sago pudding, also known as Sabudana Kheer, we will need 2 tablespoons of brown sugar, 100 grams of sago seeds, 200 ml of milk. This milk is just to soak the sago seeds in once you've washed them. 500 ml of milk to make the pudding, some saffron, 1 teaspoon of cardamom powder, 30 grams of crushed almonds, 30 grams of crushed pistachios, and 30 grams of crushed cashews. Now we are going to wash and then soak our sago seeds for 2 hours. Now we are going to soak these sago seeds in 200 ml of milk for 6 hours. We've took a non-stick pan and added a little bit of water into it so that the milk doesn't stick to the bottom. Now we're going to add in the milk. Now that we have added it in, we're going to boil it on a medium flame and occasionally stir it so that it doesn't stick to the bottom. Now our milk has started boiling, we're going to take our saffron and add a little bit of milk into it to release all its flavours, then leave it aside for 15 minutes. Now it's time to add in our soaked sago seeds. We've soaked these sago seeds in milk for around 6 hours, and now we're going to add them in. If you like our videos, then please don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell for more amazing recipes. Then we're going to mix it well, and at the same time we're going to add in all our crushed dry fruits as well. Our crushed cashews, our crushed almonds, our crushed pistachios, and sugar. Now we're going to occasionally stir our milk until it gets a little thick and our sago seeds turn translucent. It's been around half an hour now, and as you can see, the milk has reduced and it's a little thick, and our sago seeds are a little transparent as well. Now we're going to add in our saffron with milk. As you can see, it's turned very dark as we've let it soak. Then we're going to add in our cardamom powder and mix it well. Then it's time for serving. Now that our sago kheer is ready, we are going to garnish it with some grated almonds and pistachios. Now our Sago Kheer is ready. It's time to enjoy! If you like our videos, then please drop a like, leave a comment, share with friends and family, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more videos. Bye for now. Thanks for watching. Happy cooking!